Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the E88 8K drone. This is a foldable drone that comes with a dual camera, altitude hold mode, and a variety of other features. I'm going to put it through its paces and see how it performs. Unboxing. Let's start by unboxing the E88 8K drone. Inside the box, we have the drone itself, the remote controller, a battery, a USB charging cable, a screwdriver, spare propellers, and an instruction manual. The drone is made of a lightweight plastic material and has a foldable design. This makes it easy to transport and store. The remote controller is also lightweight and has a comfortable grip. It's powered by 3 AA batteries, which are not included in the box. Features. The E88 8K drone has a variety of features, including dual camera. The drone has a 1080p front camera and a 4K bottom camera. This allows you to take high-quality photos and videos from both the front and bottom of the drone. Altitude hold mode. This mode helps to keep the drone stable in the air, even if you let go of the controls. This makes it easier to take photos and videos without the drone drifting away. Headless mode. This mode allows you to fly the drone without having to worry about which way is the front. This is useful if you're flying the drone in tight spaces or if you're not sure which way the drone is facing. One key return. This feature allows you to return the drone to its starting point with the press of a button. This is useful if you lose control of the drone or if you need to land it quickly. Other features. The E88 8K drone also has a number of other features, including 360 degrees rolling, gesture control, and trajectory flight. Flight test. Now let's take the E88 8K drone for a flight test. I'm going to fly it in a variety of conditions, including indoors and outdoors. The drone is easy to control and flies very smoothly. The altitude hold mode works well and the drone stays stable in the air even when there is wind. The camera quality is also good, and I was able to take some great photos and videos. I also tried out the headless mode and the one-key return feature. Both of these features worked well and made it easy to fly the drone. Overall, I was very impressed with the E88 8K drone. It's a great drone for beginners and experienced flyers alike. Conclusion. In conclusion, the E88 8K drone is a great drone for the price. It has a variety of features, including a dual camera, altitude hold mode, and a one-key return feature. It's easy to control and flies very smoothly. I would definitely recommend this drone to anyone looking for a good drone under $100. Thanks for watching my review of the E88 8K drone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more drone reviews and tutorials.